Intoxication is not a defense to a crime as such, but where a person is intoxicated through drink or drugs and commits a crime, the level of intoxication may be such as to prevent the defendant forming the necessary mens rea of the crime. The law draws a distinction between voluntary intoxication and involuntary intoxication. This video will focus on the law relating to involuntary intoxication. The most obvious example of involuntary intoxication is where a person has had their food or drink spiked without their knowledge. However, it may also cover where a particular drug has an unexpected result to that anticipated. In R.V. Hardy 1985, the defendant took some out-of-date Valium tablets that had been prescribed to his partner. He took them as he was feeling stressed, and Valium generally has a calming effect. However, they made him more aggressive, and he set fire to a wardrobe. The Court of Appeal treated the intoxication as involuntary as the drug had the opposite effect to that expected. If, however, the effect is anticipated but the defendant merely underestimates the strength, then the intoxication remains voluntary. This was recognized in R.V. Allen 1988, where the defendant drank some homemade wine before committing a sexual assault. At one time it was considered that involuntary intoxication could be an outright defense to a criminal charge, as stated by Mr. Justice Park in Pearson's case. However, in the case of R.V. Kingston, the House of Lords held there was no such defense, even where the defendant had been deliberately drugged as a part of a plot to blackmail him. It was established that only where the defendant could be shown to lack the mens rea of the offense due to his intoxicated state could he escape criminal sanction. A drunken intent is still an intent. Thus, where drink or drug removes the inhibitions of the defendants so that they may do things which they would not do when they are sober, they nevertheless often have the mens rea of the crime. The law will not excuse this behavior even where the defendant had been drugged by the fraud of another. In summary, the rules on intoxication differ depending on whether the defendant is voluntarily or involuntarily intoxicated. For involuntary intoxication, the defendant's intoxication may be raised to demonstrate they lacked the mens rea. However, a drunken intent is still an intent. This video is part of a series of videos on law from www.e-lawresources.co.uk. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel www.youtube.com/@e-lawresources. It's free to do so and will help us to keep providing these videos. Check out our website which provides lecture outlines and case summaries. See also www.elawrevision.org.uk for revision games and quizzes. Thanks for watching.